Welcome to Ryoan-ji Temple, one of Kyoto's most iconic landmarks and a revered site of historical and spiritual significance. Get ready to be amazed by the towering pagoda and explore the rich history and serene beauty of this ancient temple. As you arrive at Ryoan-ji Temple, take in the impressive sights of the 5-story pagoda, Japan's tallest wooden structure. This towering pagoda is a symbol of Kyoto's architectural heritage and offers a striking contrast to the surrounding tranquil temple's ground. Ryoan-ji's 5-story pagoda stands at 57 meters tall and has been an enduring symbol of Kyoto since it was built in the 9th century. It is not only the tallest wooden pagoda in Japan, but also a marvel of traditional Japanese architecture. Your tour begins with the centerpiece of Ryoan-ji Temple, the 5-story pagoda. This magnificent structure was originally constructed in 823 before Christ and has survived numerous earthquakes and fires throughout its history. Its elegant design and towering height make it a standout feature of the temple complex. The 5-story pagoda is designed to symbolize the 5 elements in Buddhist cosmology: earth, water, fire, wind, and void. Each story of the pagoda represents one of these elements, reflecting the temple's deep spiritual significance. Next, within the main hall kondo of Ryoan-ji Temple, which houses a collection of important Buddhist statues and artifacts. The main hall is known for its beautiful wooden architecture and intricate interior decorations. The kondo was originally built in 796 before Christ and is one of the few original structures left from the temple's early day. It's a rare example of ancient Japanese temple architecture and provides a glimpse into the artistic and religious practices of the time. Explore the beautiful and peaceful temple grounds and gardens, which are designed to provide a serene environment for meditation and reflection. The gardens feature traditional Japanese landscaping, including tranquil ponds, carefully pruned trees, and seasonal flowers. Ryoan-ji Temple's gardens are meticulously maintained and offer a calming escape from the bustling city of Kyoto. The temple grounds are also home to several small shrines and statues, each with its own story and significance. Visit the Kobo Daishi Hall, dedicated to Kobo Daishi Kukai, the founder of the Shingon sect of Buddhism. This hall houses a statue of Kobo Daishi and serves as a place of worship and pilgrimage for followers of the Shingon tradition. Kobo Daishi is one of Japan's most venerated Buddhist figures, and his teachings continue to influence Japanese Buddhism today. Ryoan-ji Temple is closely associated with his legacy and plays a key role in the preservation of his spiritual teachings. As you walk through Ryoan-ji Temple, consider its historical and cultural importance. The temple has been a major center of Buddhist practice and scholarship for over 1,000 years and has played a significant role in the development of Japanese Buddhism. Ryoan-ji Temple was originally established by Emperor Kamu in 796 before Christ as part of the capital's development. It was intended to be a guardian temple for the city of Kyoto, and its continued prominence reflects its enduring role in Kyoto's spiritual life. As you conclude your visit to Ryoan-ji Temple, take a moment to reflect on the rich history and spiritual atmosphere you've experienced. The temple's architectural marvels and serene surroundings offer a unique insight into Japan's cultural and religious heritage. Ryoan-ji Temple hosts a popular flea market known as the Kobo Sun Market on the 21st of each month. It's a great place to find unique souvenirs and experience local culture, adding an extra layer of excitement to your visits. Au revoir and keep exploring!